In this video, we will look at how to construct an advanced query. Starting from a natural language search, you'll see the concept added as a node in the query tree. You may start here and refine it further, or start directly with the Advanced Query Builder. To build a query using the Advanced Query Builder, start by clicking plus Add Rule. Define your condition and refine it as needed. You can refine your condition by adding either a time frame or an age filter. Here, we'll add a time frame. Choose a date, for example, after January 1st, 2020, to focus on more recent diagnoses. You can also add an age filter across the entire query or rule group you are adding it to. Here, we're restricting results to adults aged 18 and over. Your query builds automatically. The query tree shows a visual representation of all the rules in your query. The hierarchy panel shows the query structure in a condensed, list-based format. Before running your query, use the preview window to check your query logic. Once your query is ready, click Run Query in the top right to execute. The Query Builder gives you full control, with no coding required.